Hello yacht fans, and welcome back to the channel. So following on from my James Bond 007 themed videos, there's two of them that talks about the yachts used in the movies. I thought I'd carry on the movie theme and look at other movies that have yachts in them and talk about the yachts. So we're going to look at The Wolf of Wall Street, which actually has how should I say it? So it's got a total of 3 yachts in this movie that I'm going to talk about. The Lady M, which is the original one used in the film, and then the Big Eagle, which was Jordan Belfort's original yacht that sank, and the Big Eagle again, which is a charter vessel which you can still charter today, which looks very similar to the Jordan Belfort's yacht that sank. So a little bit of creative license because it's not the actual yacht and the interiors are different, but I do include some original pictures of the interior so you can see what it was like. But bear in mind, this isn't the original, it's just talking about a very similar yacht. So I hope you enjoy the movie and let me know down in the comments what you think, and yeah, I'll talk you through it. What did this man have in common with this lady? So the original yacht Nadine sank off the coast of Sardinia in 1997 while it was owned by Belfort. Okay, it's a bit confusing. There are 3 yachts featured in this video. The first yacht is called Big Eagle, which was made in 1961, which is the original yacht that was owned by Coco Chanel and later bought by the financier Jordan Belfort and named it after his wife Nadine. The second yacht is the Lady M, which was used in the filming of The Wolf of Wall Street. Big Eagle, or Nadine, when Jordan Belfort owned her, sank to 1,000 feet to the bottom of the ocean, as featured in the film. But the footage that you can see of the Big Eagle of the interior is actually a yacht that was built in 1980, similar sort of style of yacht to the original 1961 Big Eagle. So you're following so far? A little bit confusing, but yeah. So the 1980 Big Eagle, built by me, not as in me, as in the shipyard, spelt M-I-E, pronounced probably me or my, I don't know. She has a beam of 7.92 meters and a draft of 2.74 meters. She has a steel hull and an aluminium superstructure. This adds up to a gross tonnage of 309 tons. And she is powered by twin 2,000 horsepower engines, giving her a maximum speed of 14 knots and a cruising speed of 13 knots. Luxury, comfort and fame. This perfectly describes Lady M. She will make you feel like a big lottery winner. She is a spectacular yacht complete with 5 state cabins that can accommodate up to 10 guests, an outdoor hot tub, gourmet kitchen and a sumptuous dining room, Italian marble floors and luxurious carpeting, well appointed furnishings and all the latest smart televisions in all guest rooms, main salon, sky lounge and master stateroom. The classical glamour of Lady M oozes comfortable elegance you would expect from a luxury yacht in the Wolf of Wall Street. Leonardo DiCaprio wasn't the only star in this Oscar-nominated film. As a symbol of wealth and comfort, Lady M also played her part well. Want to enjoy the extravagance and the feeling of being super rich? Or reenacting parts of the movie? You can charter the stunning Lady M for the price of a small apartment per week. And that's not renting, that's buying the apartment. Watch this video next for more yachts that appear in the movies. Thanks for watching.